Welcome back. We're going to go over end of week review on the week that just passed. So let's start on the first trade that we took during this week, which is a gold trade on Tuesday around 4 to 6 p.m., losing $300. So this trade I not proud of at all, because I did over leverage and we did reverse hard. And if we were to hit stop loss on my added positions and my initial trade, we would have exceeded our daily loss limit, and I would have lost the account. So that's why it's like this, and because I manually exited around here or something. Yeah, 1 hour imbalance, decent mitigation, double bottom. Reacted a bit, reversed, swept these lows here, break structure, and yeah. And next up we have more gold trades. As you can see, I have an added position there as well. Hit stop loss on both. So double bottom on a higher time frame. Had a double breaker structure. Opened up a 5-minute imbalance. Went into that imbalance. Had a bullish candle close, entered, and then entered again, and then price reversed. I was really liking these highs here as well. They're a good draw on liquidity, as some might say. Next up we have a GBPUSD trade. Actually some wins. Was it this one? No, it was this one. So this zone here, this point of interest was a 1 hour imbalance and order block. Jump down to the 5-minute. Alright, we can see that we in the zone. I thought price was going to continue higher, judging by how this looks, but this candle here told me differently. Swept this high, closed very bearish, and then we creeped up to that same price and rejected again, making some equal highs. I was convinced that price was going to move to the downside, and as price rejected for the second time, it opened up a 5-minute imbalance, had some beautiful price action here. As you can see, I entered at the close of this candle, this bearish candle here, and I added another position as we broke structure here. Yeah, these aren't really breaker structures, I already know. But both hit take profit, decent trade. Take profit was decent too, as you can see, price reversed after my take profit was hit. I believe the trade we took after that was an AUDUSD trade. We made about 600 on that one. So yeah, we had a 1 hour order block, double top up here, and then we swept that high, opened up a 5-minute imbalance, mitigated it only a little bit, less than I would like. But we had a decent bearish candle close, entered on that, price reversed, continued higher, and stop loss was hit. Losing about 468 on that one. And this trade made me lose my account, sorry. Yes, I did lose my account challenge due to over leveraging and not checking news. I wouldn't say it was a bit unlucky that the one time I wanted to risk a lot, news happened, and my account daily limit was breached, meaning the account is gone now. So yeah, 10:30, this candle here absolutely demolished my stop loss. So bad that we didn't actually close at this price level here. We closed at around here, which is why the loss is at 1300. I calculated it though, so if it were to hit my stop loss around here, I would still not exceed the daily loss limit, because this trade and the AUDUSD trade I just went over totaled at the end around like a 200 win, because that made 6, lost 4, around 150 to 2 in profit. And this trade I was risking 3%. It's a lot, I know. And so that's around 750. And if I were to lose that much, I wouldn't exceed that daily loss limit. But since I can't learn from my mistakes about this news checking, stop loss was hit so bad that I didn't even get filled at the price I was aiming for. So I have a very, very good reminder here, because I've had this issue so many times. If you can go to my this like news, that's 2. Okay, there's been more than 2 times, I know that, but it's an issue I've been having for a while. But yeah, a bit unlucky though that the one time I wanted to risk a lot, news actually happens, because but it is what it is. I plan to continue on demo, so I won't be recording demo trades. Or should I? I don't really know. If there's anyone watching, just let me know if I should still record even though I'm on demo. Yeah, that's about it.